In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google account and Gmail password in Google Chrome. Whether it's for security reasons or simply because it's time for a change, updating your password is a crucial step in keeping your account secure. Let's dive into the process to ensure your personal information stays protected. The first step we need to take is to open your Google account. To do this, fire up Google Chrome and navigate to myaccount.google.com. This is where you can manage your Google account settings, and from here, you'll have access to a variety of options related to your Google services. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account before proceeding. Next, we need to navigate to the Security section. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll spot a menu. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Security. Click on it. This section allows you to manage the security settings for your account, and it includes various tools and options to keep your account safe. Now that you're in the security settings, look for the password option. This is nestled under the Signing into Google section. Click on the password link to head over to the password management page. At this point, for security reasons, you may be prompted to enter your current password. This is a standard verification step to confirm your identity, ensuring that it's truly you making these changes. Once you've entered your current password, you'll be able to proceed. Now it's time to enter your new password. Type your chosen password in the new password field. Keep in mind, when choosing a password, it's best to create one that's both memorable to you and secure. Mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, including numbers, and adding special characters can strengthen your password. After typing it out, you'll need to enter it again in the Confirm New Password field. This double entry ensures that you haven't made any typos or mistakes. With both fields filled out, it's time to save your new password, so click on the Change Password button. And that's it. Your new password is now active. It's important to mention that after changing your password, you'll be logged out of most Google services on all your devices. You will need to log back in with your new password to regain access to platforms like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. It's a good opportunity to take note of where you're logged in so you can ensure everything's set up properly afterward. And there you have it. Changing your Google account and Gmail password can be done quickly and easily within Google Chrome, and it's an essential step in keeping your digital life secure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.